Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try to change my intro. I've decided to something else. Yes. Anyways, I created this fun festive green look today with the Dark Magic tutorial or Dark Magic palettes. This is a Dark Magic tutorial. Oh my god, can't talk. Looks like this. This is the third palette in the series. I really used the crap out of this shade, you can tell. Anyways, I really thought it came out. My blue eyes are popping. I am very impressed. And like I mentioned in my chat, you ready with me? I left my comments for the end of the video. So, making this as short as possible, let's just get into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be taking some eye primer. This is the Lorac Pro Behind the Scenes eye primer. Looks like so. I'm just taking a concealer brush and I'm going to put this on there. Like so. Is there anything even in here? Oh yeah, okay. So a little bit like that. I'm just going to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to take a Morphe E8 brush, it looks like so. And for the star of the show, obviously, the Dark Magic palette. This is the third palette, so I only have one more left to do. So I'm going to take this shade called Poof, and I'm going to set that concealer on my eyes. Or primer, whatever you want to call it. My eyebrows need to get done. So I shaved them, and this is what that turned out to be. Alright, so I'm going to take a bit of a smaller blending brush, and this is the M541 from Morphe. And I'm going to, I think she took Potion, which is this green shade over here, and I'm going to start working this into my crease. So far it looks like this. And this is very out of my comfort zone, so I hope it goes the way I want it to. So next I'm going to take a different brush. This is the M513, which I think I don't have in my hand, so we're good. So I'm going to take, I believe they used Inside Job, which is this green here, and very lightly just put it on the outer V. I'm kind of just stamping it here, and then I will blend it out with a different brush. And then I'm going to take a flat brush, and let's see here. I'm going to take this one, I guess. This is the Kylie brush, and I'm going to take the shade called Trickery, which is this shimmery shade here, and I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just kind of gently mist my brush. They do say to use Fix Plus, but that's way over there and I'm too lazy to go get that. So I'm just going to dip this brush into here, like so. I'm going to just pat this on my eyelid. And then to blend it out, I'm just going to grab the Morphe M441, nothing additional on there, and just kind of blend this together. Now, I'm going to take this brush and I have a thing called the Vera Mona Color Switch. You just take it and you just go like this in here, and it takes off that green color. I'm going to need this brush again. I'm gonna actually take the color, I believe it's Sh, and take that and very lightly blend this into my crease, starting on the outer corner, working it slowly into the inner corner. Alright. And then I'm going to grab on my finger, I think it's Power Cut, which is a shimmery silver shade right there. I'm going to put this on like the center of my lid. Like so. I'm going to clean up this mess, there's my face, come back and finish off the eyes. So that took so much longer than I thought it would because I had to redo it. Yes, so that was interesting. But this is my face put together. This is very like dramatic and I'm not used to dramatic, but we're gonna zoom you guys in and finish up the eyes. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, to kind of make this all together, I'm gonna grab this Morphe E17 and I'm gonna take the shade Shh again, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line first. So now I'm going to take Potion and put that on the lower lash line as well. I'm actually going to take a eyeliner, which is something I don't ever do. And this is from Ulta. This is in the shade Aqua. I'm going to line my waterline. And you guys can't see me do this, but I'll show you guys when it's done what it looks like. So like so. You guys can see it. And I'm gonna take, let's see. I'm gonna take the shade Busted, which is right here, and kind of go over that to kind of cement that into place. I'm quite obsessed. So unfortunately in that palette there is no shade for the inner corner highlight. So I'm going to grab Armed and Gorgeous. I'm going to take the shade VIP and put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's very hard to get my comments at the end, but I have a lot of comments to say at the end of the video. So moving on to some mascara. I'm just going to use my usual, and then do my lips and end this video on a very peaceful note. Alright, so this is it for the completed look. I would suggest using false lashes, but I don't like false lashes, so I just put a bunch of layers of mascara on, and it kind of gives the same effect, I think, as if I was wearing false lashes. Okay, so let's break this down. This palette. I will say, overall, my mascara is smudging, lovely. I really did actually like this palette. Now, as I mentioned, I had to redo my eyes because, I won't tell you why, but because I had to. Because I was trying something different and it didn't work out, so leave it at that. So the first time I applied the shadows, they were patchy and I was getting really frustrated. But the second time, after working with them a little bit more, I didn't really hate them the second time of working with them. So there's that. This is very much so out of my comfort zone. I am a burgundy girl all the way, or natural. This is like holy crap to me. Now, with that being said though, I really do like what I did. As I mentioned, I did kind of, follow someone else's tutorial as like using the same shade as them, but I think I may have done it differently a little bit. Who knows? But I will link them down below, which ones I followed. And yes, so I do like how it came out overall. The other color I chose was the ABH liquid lipstick in Hollywood, Pure Hollywood. And I will say I put a little bit of gloss over it, and I like how it looks with the green. I'm dropping stuff. And lastly, put on my teeth. I think that's all my comments and concerns I have. I just really wish there was a inner corner highlight, and I used the VIP shade from the Armand Gorgeous palette, and I was not amused with it for my inner corner highlight at all. So there's that. But I definitely will give this palette another shot because I really do like how it came out, surprisingly. So far, this, out of the 3 I've tried so far, I really do like this one, and I do recommend this one to get out of your comfort zone. I really like it. So next up is the Ring the Alarm palette. It is somewhere, oh, it's right here. This is up next. And then I'll be done with this series, and then I'll be doing some other things. So this really, you know, like kicks off fall for me because this is really fall-y, warmy coziness. I'm gonna go do my hair and see how I like my eyeshadow more. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.